Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. And in this video, we will learn about discourse analysis and why it is important in learning a foreign language. Discourse analysis means studying how people use language in real situations. It helps us to understand how words, sentences, and conversations create meaning. For example, a newspaper article is different from a friendly chat. An example two, a speech by a leader is different from a social media post. Discourse analysis helps us see these differences and understand how language works in daily life. The first question is about the three perspectives used to explain the reasons for the studying discourse analysis. What perspectives are they? Discourse analysis means studying how people use language in real situations. It helps us to understand how words, sentences, and conversations create meaning. And there are three perspectives to explain why studying discourse analysis. Discourse analysis is important in English language teaching. Conversation analysis. First, conversation analysis. This perspective studies how people talk to each other in dialogue. It looks at small details like who speaks first when people take turns and how body language helps in conversation. The goal is to understand how conversations help people connect and solve problems. And also critical discourse analysis. This perspective studies how language gives power to some people and takes power from others. It looks at how words in news, speeches, or books can create unfairness in society. The goal is to find and challenge language that supports inequality. And the last perspective is Foucauldian discourse analysis. This perspective is based on the ideas of Michel Foucault. It looks at how language controls knowledge and rules in society. It studies how schools, hospitals, or governments use words to influence people. The goal is to understand how language helps some groups stay in power. Why we should learn discourse analysis? Who needs to learn discourse analysis and why? Many people need to learn discourse analysis. Students can improve their communication skills and teachers can explain language better, and writers and journalists can create strong messages, and also business professionals can use language to persuade others. So, discourse analysis is useful for everyone who wants to speak, write, and understand language effectively. The next question is, what should students do when learning discourse analysis? How to learn discourse analysis? Students can learn discourse analysis in many ways. First, read different texts like books, newspapers, and online posts. And also Listen to real conversations. Interviews, like interviews, movies, and news. And also analyze the meaning. Ask, why did the speaker say this? And also practice speaking and writing. Using language in different situations. So, by doing these activities, students will understand language better. Next question is, what are the benefits of learning discourse analysis? Discourse analysis helps students in many ways. First, better understanding, know what people really mean. And then, effective communication, use the right words in the right place. And also, a critical thinking. Stronger critical thinking, and like analyze text and conversation. And also, cultural awareness. Understand how language changes in different cultures. And when students learn discourse analysis, they become more confident in using language. And the next question, what should be learned and taught in a foreign language according to discourse analysis? And what to teach and learn in foreign languages? In a foreign language class, teachers should teach first real life communication, not just grammar, but also how to use language naturally. And next, context and meaning. Context and meaning, like words have different meanings in different situations. And next, cultural differences. How people from different countries speak and act. And then different types of text, like formal letters, social media posts, and stories. So, learning discourse analysis helps students not only learn words, but also how to use them correctly. The next question is, what are the advantages of discourse analysis from a pragmatic perspective? Pragmatics is about how meaning changes depending on the situations. Discourse analysis helps students to understand hidden meanings like sarcasm and jokes, and avoid miscommunication. Avoid miscommunication, like speak clearly and correctly, and also use polite language, and also learn cultural rules. Some cultures are direct and some are indirect. And when students learn discourse analysis with a pragmatic approach, they become better communicators, like that. Next question is, how to use discourse analysis in teaching. How teachers can use discourse analysis in class. Teachers can use discourse analysis in many ways. First, use real conversation. Play audio or video clips and analyze them. And also encourage discussion, like ask students to explain different meanings and analyze text together, like look at articles, speeches, and social media posts. And also practice role playing, like let students act out real life situation. So, with discourse analysis, teachers can help students use language naturally and effectively. So, discourse analysis is very important in learning a foreign language. It helps students understand language in real life communication, and also think critically, learn cultural differences, and also by studying discourse analysis, students can use language correctly and confidently in any situations. That's all for my explanation today. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.